Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do for the Milwaukee Quik Lok pole saw attachment. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so we're gonna unbox this. This is the Milwaukee Quik Lok pole saw attachment, which is 49-16-2720. I don't know, my leg is not wanting to work for some reason. We're gonna get this open. This one is actually pretty tall. It's taller than all the rest of the boxes. Box is in pretty great condition. Haven't found any problems with it. It was supposed to be dropped off yesterday, and it wasn't dropped off until today. The tracking said it was still in Illinois, but it's obviously here, so. Okay. Alright, there she is right there. So, it almost hits the roof on the box being on here. Again, it is Quik Lok 10-inch pole saw attachment, 49-16-2720. I have been told by a few people I know that they've actually put a 16-inch bar on here, and they've had no issues with that as well. It is powered by the M18 fuel power head with Quik Lok included in the 2825-21ST, 2825-20ST, and the 2825-21PS. So the 2825-21PS is the pole saw with the power head. The 2825-21ST, I'm not sure what that one is. I think it is the hedge trimmer version. Oh no, it's that one is the 2825-21ST would be this unit with a battery and the string trimmer, and I got the 2825-20ST, which is the bare tool string trimmer. So the ST is for string trimmer. If we look at the back of the box, I like that they did this. The item that is in this particular box is outlined in a little red box. We have already done videos on the string trimmer attachment, as well as the articulating hedge trimmer attachment, the edger attachment, and the 3-foot attachment extension, as well as the pole saw. We're going to be doing a little quick video on this one as well, unboxing. We'll be reviewing all of these items down the road. So let's get it unboxed. And then I'll read this right here as well. Specifications: RPMs are 0 to 4600, bar length 10 inches, chain gauge 0.043 inch, chain pitch, it's a 3/8 low profile chain, length is 49 inches, and weight is 4.05 pounds. There's a bunch of stuff on the back too, I didn't read it, but one, compatible with the M18 power head with Quik Lok. 2, automatic oiler for proper chain lubrication. 3, translucent oil reservoir, clear visibility to the oil levels. Easy access chain tensioner, quick adjustment to chain tension is 4. 5 is branch hook for added cutting leverage and branch removal. 6 is padded grip for optimal hand placement and increased comfort. 7 is protected drive shaft, provides greater durability to drive shaft against damage from drops and storage elements. 8, gearing optimized power head RPM output, specially for pole saw cutting applications. And it has just a graph of 1, 2 through 8 on the box. I didn't read it, but I just read it now. I usually read it on the when it's laying there. This one is also in a it's like a foam cover and a bag attached to the phone. Alright, so put the box here. Now, so you have your 10-piece combo kit, 1 winner per month, and 850 winners for a t-shirt entry. You have your instruction booklet and your 12 M18 pamphlet. Another scrunch. Pole saw attachment and the foam. It did not come with a shoulder strap, but that's okay. We got 2 shoulder straps, one with the extension, and we got 1 shoulder strap that was with the hedge trimmer, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong, I could be remembering it wrong, but all this stuff open. Looks similar to the one that came with, yeah, it looks like the exact same tool. Well, that's kind of nice. It came with the edger. The other scrunch came with the edger. So here is fits nice. Here's the branch hook, a reservoir, the chain is already tensioned nicely. The little scabber back on it. All in all, it's nice. I do like that these attachments come with this foam gripping right here. I like that a lot. Let's move the camera pitch down. Okay. So just a quick unboxing, a little bit of information that it came with. Let's close this box back up. Put the box here. Put this in front of the box so you guys can see it. This is everything that came in the box. You know, all in all, I do like these attachments that you know are for this system. I'll be using this system as a quick cleanup. I don't want to get out the gas machines to do the quick cleanup, something that you're not going to take a whole gas tank for. And all in all, I'm very impressed with the quality and how well they look, how nice they are. We'll do videos on all of these attachments later down the road, in-use videos, reviews. I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the like button if you can for me. Smoosh the notification bell if you guys want to see future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links down in the description below. Appreciate you guys sticking around for the video, hanging out with me, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!
Yeah.